Hello, today I'll show you how to send bulk emails in Microsoft Outlook using Send Personally add-in. It is powerful but easy to use tool for sending bulk emails. To start, we simply create a new email and add all our recipients. As you can see here, we have specified multiple recipients in the to field. But at the end, each one will receive a separate personalized email. That's how Send Personally plugin works. Okay, now we create a subject line, newsletter for, and here we can personalize it using one of the macros provided by Send Personally. Will be automatically replaced by corresponding text before sending out emails. So the subject line will be newsletter for, username. Also, let's add the greeting in our message using the same way. Hello, user first name. And then we add the rest of the text. And next we click the Send Personally button. The add-in now is ready to send bulk emails, but we don't want to send it right away. Let's say we need to send on Monday morning. To do that, we open the delayed delivery options. And here we can specify when to start sending emails, immediately or later at a specific time and date. So for this example, let's select to send later, Monday at 9 a.m. for example. Here you can also specify the sending rate and to send messages in batch if needed. And this pop-up warning just to remind you that Microsoft Outlook must be connected and running to send messages at that time. Alright, so all set now. Click the Send Personally button. The add-in creates personalized emails and places them to the outbox folder. And as you can see, all created messages scheduled to be sent at the previously specified time and date. Next Monday morning, 9 a.m., and any new emails will be sent according to your current Outlook settings. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to download and try Send Personally for Outlook, and to contact us if you do have any questions.